All right, here we go. Lesson 31, phonics. Say shoots. Sound shoots. Sh, oot, s. Say holes. Sound holes. Holes. Say stoop. Sound stoop. St, oop. Say locked. Sound locked. Locked. Say shorts. Sound shorts. Sh or t. S. Say looked. Sound looked. Looked. Excellent job. Now for our phonics pattern today, we have 2. Let's read our first sentence. Here we go. Ready? My dog is happy. Our first pattern is Y says I, as in, Y says E as in happy. The other one is Y says I like my. So Y has 2 sounds at the end of words. It has an I like my, and it has an E like happy. The second pattern that we have is P, hold on. Let's try this again. So Y. The next one we have is PLE, is our syllable that says pull. It is an LE syllable, and this says pull. Excellent. So let's go to our sounds, and let's say our sounds. Ready? I and E. Sorry. That's E. Pull. Ed, t, and d. I. Till. A. E. O. Oo and U. O and ow. Der. N. Oo and dull. A. Ah. I. S. Bull. Ah. Goal. Pull. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and go to reading our word. Oh, we'll do our syllables. Sorry. That was, let's practice our Y sounds. Remember, if it's just small, it's an I sound. If it's a longer word, it'll be an E. So here we go. Ready? My, happy. Buy, funny. Fly, baby. Excellent job. Now let's read our mixed words. Ready? Look, sound, alls. Read halls. Look, sound, at read act. Look, sound, t-ite, read tight. Look, sound, sk-I, read sky. Look, sound, n-it-ing, read knitting. Look, sound, j-all-y, read jolly. Look, sound, n-ite, read night. Look, read, dr-I, sound. Try that again. Look, sound, dr-I, read dry. Look, sound, sn-owing, read snowing. Look, sound, s-ide, read side. Look, read, f-urry. Say that again. Look, sound, f-urry, read furry. Look, sound, cur-I, read cry. Look, sound, bright, read bright. Look, sound, p-up-y, read puppy. Look, sound, r-oat, read wrote. Look, sound, fur-I, read fry. Look, sound, r-ing, read ring. Look, sound, f-un-y, read funny. Look, sound, d-ert-y, read dirty. Look, sound, gr-and, read grand. Look, sound, easy, read easy. Look, sound, fright, read frights. Excellent job. Now we're going to do our syllables. So let's read the first. The first word is simple. So simple, let's snap it. Simple. It has 2 syllables. The first syllable is sim. Let's look at the next word. It's turtle. Snap turtle. Turtle. It also has 2 syllables. The second syllable is tle. T-L-E. It's an L-E syllable. The next word we have is gobble. Snap it. Gobble. It has 2 syllables again, and the first syllable is gob. The second syllable is bull. Let's look at the next word. It's middle. Snap it. Middle. It has 2 syllables. The second syllable is dull. D-L-E is an L-E syllable. The last word we have is wiggle. Let's snap it. Wiggle. It has 2 syllables. The first syllable is wig. The second syllable is gull. It's an L-E syllable. Excellent job. All right, so now we are going to go to our writing of our high frequency words. So let me see if I can get to that page. Here we go. All right. Our first word that we are going to write today is spy. So I hear a s. Remember, this does weird things sometimes. Let me undo that and see if I can get it back. All right, let's try this again. S. Oh, this is fun. I. And remember, a Y at the end of a word says I. The next word we are going to write is belly. So belly, B. L. And now we have a L at the end. So L, Y says L at the end. Belly. Let's try that again. There we go. Our next word is shine. So I hear a sh sound, and I know that S and H say sh. Then I hear an I. And then I hear an N, shine. And then I know that an I, an E at the end makes the I say I. Our last word is hall. So I know it starts with an H, a H, and then I hear an ah, but I know that an A has an ah sound when it has two L's after it, like all. All right, excellent job. That is our lesson for today.